Bullish XCN cost expectation for 2022 is 5 cents to 9 cents. The XCN cost will likewise reach 10 cents soon. Bearish XCN cost expectation for 2022 is 3 cents. In chain cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about XCN to dissect the future development of the cryptographic money. Chain current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of chain is 3 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,062,108 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, XCN has diminished to 0.4% as of now. Besides, chain has a circling supply of 21,482,888,131 XCN. At present, XCN exchanges digital currency trades like KuCoin, Coinbase Trade, Gate.io, Huobi Worldwide, MEXC. What is chain? XCN is an Ethereum token that oversees chain convention and is utilized to decide on convention upgrades and different local area-driven programs. Chain convention is a multi-resource, shared, and cryptographically secure record foundation established in 2014. XCN is likewise utilized for limits, premium access, and as an installment technique for business expenses on succession and other chain environment items. Chain value forecast 2022. Chain stands firm on the 50th foothold on CoinGecko at this moment. XCN cost forecast 2022 is made sense of underneath with an everyday time span. The above diagram of chain spread out the level channel design, even channel design otherwise called the sideways pattern. As a general rule, the level channel is framed during the cost union. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the lower trend line which associates the lows, run on a level plane equal and the cost activity is held inside it. An even channel is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market as the trading focuses are in union. Right now, chain is at 3 cents. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of XCN could arrive at the opposition level of 4 cents, 5 cents, and 7 cents. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of XCN might tumble to 3 cents. Chain backing and opposition levels. The diagram beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of chain. From the above everyday time period, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels of chain. The graphs show that XCN has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, XCN could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at 9 cents. In like manner, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of the XCN could dive to nearly 3 cents, a negative sign. Chain value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of chain is displayed in the beneath diagram. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past volume for brokers. Presently, the RVOL of XCN lies beneath the end line, demonstrating powerless members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of chain is displayed in the above diagram. White, the XCN cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a downtrend pattern. As of now, XCN is in a negative state. There is plausible of an inversion pattern of XCN whenever. In the interim, the overall strength file of the XCN is at a degree of 36.53. This implies that XCN is almost an overslot state. Nonetheless, this gives certainty to the brokers to exchange with no apprehension. Chain value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to look normal directional record of chain. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of chain. Presently, XCN lies in the scope of 32.68378, showing major areas of strength for it. From the above diagram, the overall instability list of chain. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of XCN lies under 50, demonstrating low instability. Truth be told, XCN's RSI is at 36.53, in this manner affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of XCN with BTC, ETH. The beneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and chain. From the above graph, we can decipher ETH and XCN are moving in a comparative pattern. This shows that when the cost of ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of XCN additionally increments or diminishes separately. Chain value forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern switches, chain could most likely achieve 50 cents by 2023. Chain value forecast 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, chain could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, XCN could energize to hit $1 by 2024. Chain value expectation 2025. If Chain supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, XCN will energize to hit $3. Chain value expectation 2026. In the event that Chain supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, XCN would revitalize to hit $5. Chain value expectation 2027. In the event that Chain supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, XCN would mobilize to hit $7. Chain value expectation 2028. In the event that Chain holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could observe huge cost rallies. In this way, by 2028, XCN would hit $9. Chain value expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Chain, it would observe significant spikes. XCN could hit $11 by 2029. Chain value forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the Chain biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Chain for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, Chain could hit $13 by 2030. And, with ceaseless enhancements in the Chain organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for XCN. Thus, the bullish value forecast of Chain in 2022 is 9 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of Chain for 2022 is 3 cents. Moreover, with the headways and overhauls in the Chain biological system, the exhibition of Chain could hit 10 cents, acquiring financial backers' consideration. It would likewise transcend its untouched high of 18 cents soon. 1. What is Chain? XCN is an Ethereum token that administers Chain convention and used to decide on convention upgrades and different local area-driven programs. XCN is utilized to decide on convention upgrades and different local area-driven programs. Chain convention is a multi-resource, shared, and cryptographically secure record foundation. 2. Where could you at any point buy Chain? Chain has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate by kucoin, Coinbase Trade, Gate.io, Huobi Worldwide, MEXC. 3. Will Chain come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Chain stage, Chain has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Chain? On May 27, 2022, XCN arrived at its new all-time high of 18 cents. 5. Is Chain a wise interest in 2022? Chain is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital forms of money this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Chain in the beyond couple of months, XCN is viewed as a wise interest in 2022. 6. Will Chain reach 10 cents? Chain is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. In the end, in the event that this bullish pattern proceeds, Chain will hit 10 cents soon. 7. What will be Chain cost by 2023? Chain cost is supposed to reach 50 cents by 2023. 8. What will be Chain cost by 2024? Chain cost is supposed to reach